Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another What I'm Up To Wednesday, where I tell you what I'm up to, and today's video is going to be kind of different. So I'm actually not going to do the normal What I'm Up To Wednesday schedule because there's something I wanted to talk about. I am a very insecure person. We all are. But yesterday it kind of hit me hard. It's just one of those things. We're all trying to figure out this whole life thing, and sometimes days just suck. And yesterday was one of those days. But I don't want anybody else to feel like that. So hopefully this video makes you happy if you're feeling like that. So in today's video, I'm going to be celebrating my insecurities. So one of my insecurities is my smile. Which sounds weird because I smile a lot, but a lot of times it's fake. When I'm uncomfortable around somebody or something, I act overly happy to make them feel comfortable. All my friends know my fake smile. It's stupid. And doing that made me hate my actual smile. You guys see my actual smile a lot because I don't press record unless I'm in a mood where I think I can make you guys happy. But really a lot of people don't, and that's what I love about it. It's rare, and I love it because of that. I love going back on the channel and looking at these videos because I'm happy in them. And while I may hate my smile, it shows that at that point in time, I don't hate myself. Another thing that I'm insecure about is my body. There are a few videos on the channel that I've thought about taking down because I turn to the side and I have a big double chin, or I get up and you see my body, and it's dumb. It's so dumb. The entirety of hating your body is just this stupid concept, and I'm not trying to say that you're dumb for hating your body if you do, but I'm saying you shouldn't. And that's not coming from a place of everybody's different and you're unique. Be you. It's coming from a place where I know what it's like to look at yourself in the mirror and not like what you see, but knowing that it's just something that carries me around. I don't make friends based off my body, I make friends based off of me. I don't make videos about my body, I make videos about me. My body isn't me. My body is a part of me. And some people seem to like me, so maybe I'm not doing too bad. And so what about weight? I freaking love candy. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I don't want to make the video now, I just want to eat this. Another thing that I'm insecure about is my personality. Like I said earlier about the smile, if I notice that I'm uncomfortable or somebody else is, I'll try to make them comfortable and be really nice. And because of that, when they see that I'm not happy, they don't really know what to do. And they think that I'm just overreacting. They think that this sense of sadness just came out of nowhere when really they just hadn't seen it yet. So they assume that I'm like faking or something, which sucks. My friends, the guys that you see in the video, and my family, they know. They know that I'm being serious. They know how to comfort me, which is great, but I hate feeling like I can't be sad because I'm usually happy. It's okay to be sad. We need to be sad to know what happy is. But if they don't know that I get sad, at least they know they can count on me to be happy. So you know what? All in all, I do love my smile. I'm happy with my body, and I try to be a good person. And even though a lot of times I may not like myself, I'm happy with who I am. So that's it. Let me know in the comments something you guys love about yourself. And even though this video is different from the normal What I'm Up To Wednesdays, I do still want to do the What I'm Up To Wednesday shout out because it's kind of special. The other day I was in a really bad mood, and I was thinking about the stuff that I don't like. As I said earlier, the stuff I don't like about myself, the stuff I don't like about life, stuff like that. And one of you guys commented asking what my favorite song was. And that was cool. You made me remember that there's things that I like, and it brightened up my entire day. So Brennan, shout out to you, dude. By the way, nice profile picture. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. And remember that despite your insecurities, you're an amazing person. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow with a Fandom Thursday video. Until then, go do some good stuff. Later.